Hello traders, welcome back. Today is Wednesday the 11th of October and we are going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's start with yesterday. We had quite a few trades yesterday. Some were a little contradicting, but we found one profitable trade, and that was this New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc, guys. And we were looking to buy this pair. Okay, so why were we looking to buy it? Well, as you can see, we was in an uptrend. Okay, this level through here was weekly structure, weekly resistance. Okay, so price had broken that important resistance level, come back, started to use it as support. All right, and then ever since then, guys, if you zoom in, you can just see we've had just bullish candle. And because of this candle, which actually broke the highs of these previous candles, you know, the idea was just to take price back up to here. Okay. If we drop down to the H4 now, because it was just really a H4 level that we took. And you can see this channel forming. But first and foremost, guys, I like this candle. Okay, why do I like this candle? Because it breaks this level through here. We had higher highs on the H4. All right, and then all I did, guys, because I like this upward trend and this channel, once price come down to about the moving average 20, I just entered, guys. Entered, put my stop below here, okay, and then took profit back up here. It was a little bit under 1:1, guys, to be quite frank, but we've taken some profit here. We closed 80%, all right, and now we're leaving 20% to run. Okay, so I'm still in this trade for 20%. I've managed to close, you know, some nice profit yesterday, and you know, everything about this trade is still telling us to take this trade if you haven't already, or stay in it. Yeah, because look at this, we've got a new break of the H4 highs. Okay, so price could retrace again. In here would be an interesting level, and then again we could perhaps enter again. But New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, this was a successful trade, guys. And as with all my trades, I put them in the VIP Discord channel, guys. So if you'd like to receive my trade ideas, my entries, my stop losses or hedges, my take profit, then come join the VIP Discord. Okay, so good trade on New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. But there were other trades from yesterday, guys. Another one was this New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar. And let's start with the day chart, guys, actually. And we were just looking to buy this for very obvious reasons, yeah? And these obvious reasons are this. We're in an uptrend, okay? We've broken this key level of resistance through here. Price then used it as support. All right, and then we just had bullish candles, even yesterday's. So the fact we've just had all this in an uptrend, broke resistance, nothing but bullish candles, the idea is still to buy it back up to here. And again, this would be a trade idea for today. If we drop down to the H4 now, I've been entering a lot more on the H4, guys, recently. But what I was waiting for was this to happen. So we come up, yeah, and then these highs were holding, and I just wanted to retrace into this grey zone and this channel that was coming up. And I'll show you this channel in more detail in a minute. But it never quite come down, and then we got this candle, and then it was sort of, you know, Elvis had left the building. So, yeah, but it's okay. I need this value. I need value in my life, okay, when it comes to trading. All right, so that would have offered value. Up here, less so. Okay, so I didn't take this trade. And just to show you guys, you know, again, like your horizontal support and resistance zones, we also have some diagonal support and resistance zones. And like both of them, they need a spring clean now and again. You know, if price changes, you need to change it. So I'm going to change this diagonal level now, because I want to include all of this price. Yeah, when you draw any support and resistance line, horizontal or diagonal, you need to include as much price as you can. Okay, so you can see now that this diagonal level has changed, and this could potentially be a nice little level for this pair. Okay, so yeah, didn't get in that, didn't quite get the retrace. What else were we looking at? Was also looking at US dollar Swiss franc. Where are you? There you are. And this came down nicely, guys, as well. But I was in New Zealand dollar Swiss franc buy. So this trade would have contradicted my trade, but both have worked out. Yeah, it just goes to show, you know, you do need to be aware of correlations, but both of these trades can still work out. It's just the order of the currency strength is in place, and it's okay, it works out. So US dollar Swiss franc, we were looking to short this pair. Let me just zoom out so you can see this level, because that's my target, that blue line. All right, let's zoom back in, and all you can see, guys, we've had a classic double top. Yeah, price didn't break these highs, always a red flag, the structure's changing, and then kapow, in the words of Batman. Yeah, it's broken these lows with this candle here. Okay, this candle didn't break because of that wick. This candle did break because of the body. And the idea was just to get a retrace and then back down to this level. And again, this trade's looking good, guys. Yeah, so if we drop down, this is more of a H1 play, actually. Let's drop down to the H1. And you had a couple of, you know, goes at this, really. So you could have entered on, you know, this reaction here. Yeah, and with a view to taking it down to this blue line, or it gives you another opportunity later on. Perhaps you got in on this candle to take price lower. Okay, so we definitely had a couple of opportunities here, guys, because there's a nice level through here and even this level here. So yeah, if you did get into this, guys, and again, let us know, guys. Let us know your trades, how you got on. You can do that in the free Discord or the VIP Discord. You know, we'd like to know how you got on, guys. But this is looking good so far. Yeah, hasn't quite hit target as yet. And the last trade from yesterday, what was it? Pound Canadian dollar. And this one was simple to ignore, basically. So day chart. Yeah, we were seeing, if I zoom out, you can see that price was reacting at this nice level here. Okay, hence the grey zone. All right, we were firmly in a downtrend. Yeah, you do not need to be Warren Buffett to see that. Okay, and then we come back up to this level, and we got this doji candle followed by a bearish candle. Okay, so that got me interested, basically, and was thinking potentially we could come back down to this level. But this trade goes to show how important it is for price to meet your criteria. So if we drop down to the H4, guys, if you remember, it was all about if price broke this level, and it just didn't break this level. So our criteria to enter this trade wasn't met. And therefore we didn't trade this pair. If we got a break like this, you know, like a red candle like this, then okay, you know, potentially shorts were on, but we just didn't. And instead, look at that candle. Yeah, short that if you dare. So there you go, guys. Pound Canadian dollar just didn't break down. All right, and those were the trade ideas from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's analysis, maybe you took some of the trade ideas, maybe you made some money, then come join us, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, guys, it really helps support the channel. Thank you very much. Before we get on to trades for Wednesday, the 11th of October, let me keep our slightly crazy editor happy by telling you a few things that we do, guys. You might be interested. You should be. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It is free, so come join it. We've got traders in there sharing ideas and knowledge. We've got indicators, psychology, books, useful links. Come join it, guys. It's free. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help with anything. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We've got 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. We give you exclusive content every single week. And you get access to a performance coach should you require it. And we're in the process of testing a new strategy as well, guys. So lots of great stuff in the VIP Discord. If you're interested, come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to learn how to trade, and read the charts like I do, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. Next, guys, if you watch this, analysis vid, or you watch the live streams every day and you would like to show your support for the channel, well, you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member. And we've got, what have we got? We've got supporter, gold, and legend, guys. And each one has its own perks, all right? And you also get priority questions during the live stream. So guys, check all of that out. It's all in the video description. And also, guys, don't forget, live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. I'll see you then, guys. Get your questions ready. I am ready for you. Right, trades for Wednesday, 11th of October. It is a little bit deja vu, I hear you cry. Or I'm just hearing voices, I'm not sure. So yeah, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. We're still seeing this New Zealand strength. Yeah, it's still there. All right. So what are we looking at? So the first trade idea is New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. All right. We're still trying to buy this pair. Okay. Because we're still firmly in an uptrend. Okay. Like I said, we broke this important resistance level, and then just look at these candles. Bullish, but we can start here. Bullish, 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 bullish. And what I like about yesterday's candle, guys, is that it breaks all of these last highs. Yeah, so it's a continuation of trend, and the idea is just to come back up to this level here. If I zoom out, you can see that level a bit clearer. It's just basically an 8250 psychological level before we hit support resistance. All right. There's, again, I tell you my targets every day, guys. There's no secret how I place them. It's basically psychological level before the next piece of resistance or support. All right. So we're still looking to buy this. If we drop down to the H4, it's going to be a bit of a H4 play. And as I showed you in my recap from yesterday, I have changed this channel. Yeah. Okay. This trend line. Okay. And like I mentioned in the recap, guys, like with your horizontal support and resistance zones, or even your diagonal support and resistance zones, you have to freshen them up, guys. You have to have a little bit of a spring clean, keep an eye on them. Are they still valid? Are they still current? Do I need to adjust them a little bit? So stay on top of that, guys, because otherwise you could miss some really important levels. And this is what I'm looking for price to do, guys, is simply retrace into this zone here, because we've got a horizontal support level and a vertical support level. So this makes this level a very nice level. Okay, and then we just want a bullish reaction in here, and then we can start buying New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I'd also like to see the moving average 20 catch up. That will be like a triple whammy, which I don't think we've mentioned before. We've had double whammies, but this will be a triple. Yeah. You watch, it won't hold now. But yeah, so I really like this level, guys. Okay. New Zealand dollar CAD, and the next trade is New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. I told you, deja vu. And this one's coming down to a nice level now as well. So if we go back to the daily chart, yeah, again, let me just explain that grey level running through. So this was a weekly level, guys. These were all weekly lows. Yeah, even here. Yeah, but price for me has broken that level. Yeah, that is a clean break of that level. And now it's come back and retesting this level as support. All right, if we zoom back in so you can see that. And then just bullish, 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 bullish. And each body of the candle is breaking above, the last high, which is just continued momentum to the upside. So the idea is still just to, take price back up to here. If I drop down to the H4 now, again, I keep looking more and more at the H4, guys. I'm not ignoring the H1. I would never do that. But yeah, the H4 just seems to be easier to read and finding nicer levels there. And this is the level I'm interested in. Again, this might be a bit of a triple whammy. We've had two in one day because New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, and New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar are highly correlated. But, we've got the moving average 20 coming round. Yeah, blimey, I actually followed the line there. My vodka must have worked. We got this trend line, and we got this grey zone here as well. So that is a triple whammy level. I might not even wait for a bullish reaction. I might just enter at this level. Okay, I really like this level in here. So conservatively, we wait for a bullish candle and we can enter from here, try to take price back up to here, or we just really like the level and enter and again try to take price up to here. Okay, and I like this level because I can hide immediately behind this swing low. I can hide behind that. Okay, so there you go, guys. Really like this level to take price higher. If it starts breaking down out of this blue zone and breaks this level, then really not interested. Okay, so New Zealand Swiss franc, looking to buy that. And again, I know New Zealand Swiss franc and obviously this trade, US dollar Swiss franc, are slightly contradictory, but yesterday showed we can make money in both directions. Yeah, people shorting US dollar Swiss franc yesterday made money. I know a few guys in the VIP Discord that did, and we can make money like I did buying the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so these correlations are possible to make money. You just need to understand the order of the strength of the currency. Okay, and before I show you this last trade idea, guys, if I could first ask everyone to please come join the channel. If you would like my trade ideas every day, my analysis, come join the channel, subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Also, if everyone could please smash the like button, really helps support the vid. And also, guys, don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got the free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, we've got the YouTube Simply Forex membership, and we've got the live stream later today. Right, US dollar Swiss franc. Let's start with the day chart. So this is one of those US dollar pairs that has broken structure. Yeah, with this textbook double top, break structure, textbook. Okay, and we got this candle here broke these lows. Okay, not this candle because of the wick, this candle. Yeah, and it broke that wick. That's important. Okay, so yeah, we still got a bit of room back down to this 9020 level because this is a daily support level. If we drop down, let's have a look at the H4. Yeah, H4 or H1, it's the same zone, guys. Yeah, I can't trade this now because if I start selling now, I really have to put my stop up here, and this risk to reward doesn't make sense. So what do I need? I need a retrace, guys. I need a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction, or you can be aggressive and not wait for a bearish reaction, but it depends how much you like the level. I would probably wait for a bearish reaction here. Okay, once I get that, guys, I'm going to enter this and look to take price back down to this level. All right, guys. So yeah, if it starts breaking up, structure starts breaking up on the H1, then less interested. Yeah, if this level breaks. Okay. But yeah, those are my trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Wednesday, the 11th of October, guys. It's a bit of an inflation day, really. So three really important pieces of news. So 7 o'clock, London GMT, we've got German CPI. So obviously, you know, inflation figures really important. This is going to be an important figure for the euro. So must be aware of this, guys, especially if you're in any euro pairs. If we scroll down, we've got more inflation figures. At 1:30 London GMT, we've got PPI coming out of the US. And in our VIP Discord, we are testing our news strategy on this piece of news as well, guys. So, yeah, come join us for that. And finally, guys, at 7 o'clock, we've got the FOMC meeting minutes. So the Fed meeting minutes. Obviously, guys, some really important information from that could really move the markets, guys. All right, so they're the important pieces of news today. And guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to join us for the live stream, and I'll see you later.